Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my quick first floor clean with me. So in this video I'm going to show you how I quickly clean my whole first floor. So I have my kitchen, bathroom, and living room. So let's just jump right into this video. So I'm going to start off with my kitchen. So I'm just going to put away some clean dishes that we had from the night before. And I'm going to throw a few cups and plates into the dishwasher. And I'm just going to clean everything else by filling up the sink and washing them.
Painful but delightful to live through. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not so long, just a time, just like another season. You came into my life just like another season. Not so long, just a time, just like another season.
And then I took my Norwex Cloth and I just ran it under some water and wiped up my counters. It was just the quickest thing to do since I don't have a lot of time. And I also wiped down my microwave with the Norwex Cloth.
Come my way this season.
And then I moved on to my bathroom. So I started off by cleaning out the toilet. So I just sprayed it and wiped everything down. And you'll see just a few minutes later, I do put a click gel into the toilet bowl instead of using the other cleaner that I have, just because it's easier and quicker, and it'll save me from having to clean my toilet throughout the week. Sometimes if I'm short on time, I will skip the bathtub and save it for when I have more time, but today I just decided to quickly spray it down with the same spray I used on the toilet, and so I just wiped down the whole bathtub. I also sprayed the sink and all around it just to make sure that was clean, and just a ledge above it because sometimes that can get a little bit dirty, and then I just sprayed the mirror with some Windex.
On the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make her just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
And then I moved on to the living room. So pretty much all I do in the living room is just straighten everything up. So sometimes the couch needs to be fluffed up a bit, so I did that on the top, and I also flipped the cushions around on the bottom, and I folded some blankets and straightened the pillows. And I also sprayed down the coffee table in the middle because sometimes people eat on there, put their coffee there. It gets dirty, so it needs to be cleaned every once in a while.
Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place.
Then I took the vacuum and vacuumed up the whole living room. I even moved the table and made sure I got everywhere.
It's lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
And because I don't have that much time today and I'm trying to quickly just pick up the house, I just continued from the living room into the kitchen with my vacuum and just made sure that I picked up all of the crumbs off the floor and just quickly went over it. And then I also went from hallway into the bathroom and also again just vacuumed over the bathroom floor, just making sure any crumbs or anything on the floor just got picked up. Alright guys, so that's it for my video today. I hope you all enjoyed it. This was again my quick first floor clean with me, so I didn't go deep clean into everything, like I didn't mop the floor, and I just quickly went over with the vacuum because I didn't have a lot of time. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some motivation to clean your own house. And please leave a like down below, and please leave a comment of some video suggestions or videos you'd like to see. And please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
All those nights lying by